This one first. From Brielle. Jolliest birthday from your best friend, Jollibee. Okay, open it. What's that? It's a Jollibee lamp. Wow. Ano mo ako nag-light? Hindi na siya takot. Okay, say thank you.
Thank you, Jollibee.
Okay, next. Put it here. Which one? Ikaw pumili. Ikaw pumili.
There.
Okay, let me read.
I'm that.
Alin? Saan? Kanino galing yan?
Mommy, Daddy, Ate.
Mami, Daddy, and Ate. Okay, open. I-open na.
Ano kaya? Sana mo.
Kunyari, di niya alam.
Okay. Hindi ma-open? You can do it.
Ay.
Oh,
Lakas.
lakas.
Akin yung basura dito ah.
Oh!
Oh! Ayun na naman. Sino na naman yun?
Sinito.
Mukhang nalak na naman.
What's that? It's a...
Wala pa na.
Ay, wala pa.
Wow!
Let me see.
Ay!
What's
Oh, ang
that?
dami naman yan.
Show it sa kanan.
Ang dami naman yan.
What's that? Sticker? Huwag mo na open. Mamaya na. Show it first.
What will you say?
What did you say?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, Ate.
Okay, next. Which one?
Yung cellphone, guys. Yung cellphone.
Yan. From, let me see po. Basahin natin. To Brielle from Lola Angie.
Kaya. Wow, ang sushi.
Can open. Oh.
Palabasin mo lang, te, mamaya na si CR siya.
Samahan mo dun sa may likod. Sa may lupa.
Kamay nasisipin.
What's that?
Damit!
Oh, what did you say?
Thank you,
Mama Angie.
Mama Angie.
Next.
I want for the dog.
Let me see. To Brielle from Nicole and Marcus. Okay, open it. That.
Parang dito lang natuwa lang.
Hmm?
Guys, lang pa super happy.
Wow. What is that?
Ito yung sinabi ko may
I want makeup. You show it and you say thank you.
thank you, Nicole and Marcos. I want ito yung last.
The blue one.
Sa likod mo, meron pa.
Ito.
Let me see po. I'll read it. Happy birthday, Brielle Zoe from Ate Kendra. Aka na, may stapler. Oh. Ano nga. Ready? What's that?
Baba.
There's more. Ready? Ano yan? Chicken and burger.
Wow.
What will you say?
Thank you.
Ate
Ate
Kendra.
Kendra.
Okay, next.
Tissue.
Ha?
Tissue.
Nakalaman pa.
Kanina kaya pa?
Let me see po. To Brielle from Gloria family. That's Tito Bri, Tita Jam, Ate Ashta, Kuya Ashriel, and Brianna. I open it. Kunit ko muna yun. Wow! What is that? It's a pet.
Achoo.
Will you say thank you? Gloria family. Oh, you show it. It's fluffy.
Bird. Sabi ko.
Gumagalaw.
Real nag-grow.
Ano? Good girl. Okay, next. Next po. Which one? Ito po sa harap mo. Hello Kitty. Kanino yan? Let me see po. To Brielle Zoe from Suratos family. Dapat.
Hello Kitty na nga yung paper lang po.
Wow! What is that? Ano yan?
Kumori.
Kuromi. Oh, you say thank you.
Thank you.
Suratos family.
Ratos family.
Next. Next.
Yung capybara.
Capybara?
Oh,
Let me
okay
see
yung
po.
capybara.
Kanino po galing yan? Let me see. Babasahin na mami first. Saan sulat?
Wala.
Ay, walang sulat.
From Capybara.
Padigin.
Hindi
Ay,
ba
walang
yan,
sulat.
hindi ba yan yung kay ano?
Kanino?
Jabaya.
Hindi ko alam. Oh, you say thank you na lang daw.
I-open dun, Uchi.
Thank you.
Sa harap.
Kung sino po nagbigay. Ay, siwag mo sirain yung pig. Napulit na. Sige na. Isira na.
Para more gift ulit, no?
What is it? Sa? What's that?
Cat! It's a cat!
Oh, you say thank you.
Thank you. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Okay, next.
Kaya.
Parang si Tom and Jerry.
Next.
This.
From Subriel Zoe from Ate Dorothy. Ate?
Ate.
Video mo siya. Send mo kay Dorothy. Can you open it? You need help? Bigay to ng friend ni Tita Angel.
Mama.
Okay. What? What is that? Wow, pangkikay. What will you say?
Thank you.
Tita, Dorothy, kamo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yan, bagay yan sa'yo kasi palagi kang naubusan ng ipit.
Parang ano, disposable yung ipit mo ah.
Next. That's next. Happy birthday, Brielle, from Tito Jim.
Ha?
From Tito Jim.
Ano?
Gummies? Wow!
What will you say?
Gummies!
Sour Patch! That's yummy. What will you say? Thank you, Tito Jim. Tito, you say it.
Parang gusto ni Brianna.
Patayo, oh.
Yan yung sa ano eh, candy sa ano, Chi.
Sa YouTube.
Okay,
Sa
next.
ibang bansa.
This.
Yes.
Kanina pa.
Oh, let me see po. Ah, yung paper bag eh.
Kanina galing po.
Ay, let me see po kanino galing. Ano nakasulat?
They use me.
Walang pangalan?
Wala.
Meron.
Wala.
Hala, wala din.
Kay Arbella yan?
Ah, kay Arbella daw.
Wow.
What's that? Akin na.
Ang patience. Be, ang
Oh, this
patience
one
mo.
first.
Ang ikli.
May laman ata yung open eh. What's inside?
Wow! Wow!
And
I can read it.
then, this one.
Brielle, ano? Customize?
Ah, oo nga.
Brielle.
What's your name?
Oh, you open it.
Ano yan?
Pillow. Feel ko
Ah,
pillow, be. Magic
magic pillow.
pillow.
Oh, you say thank you. Thank you.
Ang cute naman.
Ate Arbella.
And
Ate.
dos. And dos.
Arbella.
Okay,
Ano
next.
pa yan?
Ayan no, Chi.
Ito yung show it first. Yung galing kay Tita Grace. Yung pagkakapakita.
Na.
Oh, you say thank you.
Thank you, Tita Gray.
Next. Uy.
Brielle.
Open.
Na. Kanina kaya to?
Yan yung sa'yo pa. From Tita Fat and Ninong Je. Okay, open. Yoyo.
Parang last month pa yan nabili. Ay, hindi. Kumot. Ay, towel. Ang cute to, Brielle Barbie, Brielle Barbie. Ang galing naman. Paano yan?
Ang galing naman.
Ang galing.
Cute. Personalized.
Wow, what's that?
Saan kayo napapagawa yan?
What's that?
Ano kaya yan? Sabi niya.
Sino?
Siya.
Yay!
You show it.
Akala ko sabi yung cake.
What will you say? Tita
Thank
pa.
you, Tita Pam.
And?
Ninong Jack.
Next.
Eta. Kanina kaya ta?
Ito yun. From Tita Grace yan. What is it? Ano yan?
Dress? Dress?
Will you show it?
Ang cute naman.
Wow! It's a dress.
Ba't hindi match?
You
Ano
have
ba yan? Ba't pink din?
ribbon.
Hindi match, be.
Oh!
Yes.
Ano yan? First aid kit?
Ito yung ano.
First aid
Ano
kit?
yan? Yung kagaya kay ate?
Ano yan, be? Ano yung pinapasa sa school? Ano yung pinapasa sa school?
Hygiene.
Okay
Hygiene.
na, let me open it for you. Let me open it. My Melody. Wow! Ang dami!
Balala.
Grabe! Paldo! Paldo ka, girl!
O kahit iba-iba na tapos, be. Isang gamit, wala na.
Wala na. Disposable. Ang ganda naman yan.
Let me see.
Suklay! Ang cute na to!
Ipit.
Bel, pahiram.
Outfit pa naman yan. Oh, what will you say kay Tita Grace? Ikay kit pala yan.
Hindi hygiene kit, be.
Ikay kit.
Ipit kit. Ipit kit.
Thank you. Next. Ano ka tawag niya tayo? Akin na yung paper bag.
Napatingin sa kanila. Napatingin sa kanila. Ay!
Okay, next. Akala ko last. Ano ko last? Ayun, sino? This one first. Okay, go. Open it.
Sa'yo
Let me
na
see po.
galing.
Tita Ariel from Tita Renz and Tita Judy. Okay, open it.
iPhone yan.
You need help?
iPhone.
Ano yan?
That. Shiny.
Ano yan?
Shiny shimmery.
May, cuties!
Uy, ang cute!
Thanks. Let me see po.
Uy, ang cute! Ang cute!
Wow. Oh.
Oh, what will you say to
What did
Tita
you say?
Renz?
Wow,
Yan,
tabang.
tita.
Kaso bawal sa school yan.
Bakasyon
Tita.
naman.
And Tita Judy. Oh, you show it. You show it.
Gusto niyo lang i-open it.
Ano yan?
Pastel. Okay, next po. From, let me see po. Lolo and Lola from Brielle Zoe. Tapos ito din, kay Lolo and Lola, dalawa gift nila
Sino lola?
sa Manila.
Grace. Versatile.
Ang cute din na lagyan.
Oh, pwede mo ilalagyan ng ipit mo.
Box? Open mo nga, Chi.
Mami. Sa taas, bebe.
Akin na. I'll open it for you. Ay, dito pa daw.
Ano
Hindi
yan?
na keychain. Ganito yung gagawin mo, box mo, de-design na
Ah.
Oh, you'll do it later. Say thank you first. You.
And tita. From?
Lolo and Lola.
Wow, in-organize na ba yun?
Bebe.
Yung bike niya kayo.
Ipasok mo, pwede ba gift din yan?
Pawasok mo naman yun.
Kinakatok-tok ka lang sila. Bago ka na eh, sabi ko, Lord, nilapit ko na nga siya. Tapos na kasi hindi naman ako pinansin.
Sinabi niya.
Oh,
And?
tama doon, sabi ni ate.
Binigyan niya sa
And
akin.
lolo. Ayun po.
Hindi, aalis daw sila kagad.
Oh, you say thank you and Lola. Oh, you show it first.
Wow, same kayo ni ate.
Wow, it's so cute.
Oh, laki.
Let me see to Brielle from Tita Chef.
Ano yung keyboard?
Sabi ni mama, ikaw si Grace, sabi ni ate, ate, hindi na naman alam yung Grace.
What will you say to Tita Shay?
Dali ako nung
Wow! Oh, what did it say?
Thank you, Tita.
Later, lalagyan pa ba? Ayun na siya, oh. Ang sasabihin mo?
Wala pa ba?
Thank you, Tita Chef. Okay, next. That one.
Last one, ah.
Last one?
Wow! Kanina galing pa.
Let me read. Happy birthday, Brielle. God bless. From Tito Jim. Kay Tito Jim ulit.
Chi, oh, sa likod.
Help.
Sa likod, Chi.
Ito
Here.
po sa likod. Here. You put it here. Wow! Snakes! Snakes and ladders! Board game! Ate, oh. Oh, you share. Hindi pwedeng
Sino pa laro mo?
Oh, Ate Lucy. Thank you, Tito G. Tito.
Oh, the last one.
Hindi, ito pa. Lolo. Lolo and Lola, tapos Lolo Dan. Don't show it na, don't show it na. Say
Thank you.
lang. Say thank you po. Lolo,
Lolo.
Lola, and Lolo Dan. Okay, last. Your last gift. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Your last.
Close your eyes. You guess, you guess. You guess it.
Okay, you open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
You bye. That's right. Kanino galing yan?
Kay?
Hi.
Mama and Papa. Oh, what will you say? Ba't hindi e-bike?
Asa